Hello, what's up, people? D-Rock, you first outdoors. So if you're into canyoneering, your gear's going to get shredded. There's just no way about it. And your wetsuits are going to get tore up real quick. So you need to learn how to fix your wetsuits because you're going to get tears, abrasions, and you just want to extend the life of your gear as long as you can before it's just totally worthless and shredded. So I'll make a quick little video and show you how to repair a wetsuit. First of all, you need some of this seal cement made by M Essentials neoprene cement black. This stuff is the goods right here. Now for a small tear, such as this one here, which I got the very first time I wore my wetsuit in a canyon, I just used the seal cement here and multiple applications, and it's good to go. Every now and then I'll put another coat on there, but it works really well. It's sealed up good. However, on my last canyoneering adventure into Spry Canyon, I got a substantial tear right here. So while I think just using the seal cement on this would probably be okay, I'm going to throw a stitch through it and seal it, just because that's how I roll. So just for reference, I'm going to show you my girlfriend's wetsuit and the tear that she got on a trip through Das Boot. This whole flap was wide open, and I didn't stitch this. I did have some extra pieces of neoprene, and I had to cut a chunk out and then seal it all up with the seal cement. And as you can see, it's durable and it's good to go. It's no broken spots, open spots. It's sealed. It's not pretty, but it's functional. So that's what we're looking for, essentially. So to use this stuff, what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to put a layer of the seal cement on there and let it dry for a second. Then I'm going to press it together, put another layer on. Then I'm going to run a stitch through it and then put another layer on. So that way I know it's good to go. So I got a little piece of cardboard here that I can pour some of the stuff on. That helps on the application. And we're going to get going here. Alright, this stuff's pretty gooey, rubbery like, so get that off. Alright, now I'm going to apply some of this here on the actual tear there. And this is what's gonna, before you stick it together, this stuff needs to dry a little bit. Then you're gonna put another application on and then stick it together. So not just canyoneers, surfers, this would work for you too on your suits. Alright, so I'm going to get that in there. And like I said, this is no way going to be pretty. But it will seal the suit and do its job. So that's going to dry up for a second. As you can see, it gets tacky really quick. And then I'm going to put another layer on and press it together. So after you put the initial coat on, you need to wait like 5 minutes, and then that will harden up a little bit. Then we'll put another application on. Alright, let's get some more of that on there. And I'm pretty liberal with this, applying this. And we're going to get all that in there. Here we go. Now we're going to stick that together. And Gonna let that hold up. I'll actually put a little more right there, like that. All right, we're gonna hold that together for a second so it dries up. Okay, so that's been drying for a second, and you can see it's already sealed up pretty good. I'm gonna let that to dry a little bit longer, and it may be not even necessary to run a stitch through it, but I'm gonna do it anyway, and then I'm gonna put another layer of the seal cement over that. Okay, so that's pretty tacky and dry. Now I'm just gonna run one stitch through this thing. Just for precaution. Like I said, this probably isn't even necessary, but I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, so as you can see, I got that stitched up, and it's not pretty, but it is functional. So I just ran some stitches all through there, just kind of as a backup, and then I'm going to put another layer of the seal cement over all this. Right, let's get some more of this. And I'm just going to cover all of that now. And it's not pretty, but this will function just fine. And that's what we want. All right, we're gonna let that dry and come back. Okay, so it's tacked up pretty good. As you can see, I'm going to put another layer on it now. And this will be the final layer. It'll be good to go after this. Call it a day. Just want to make sure that's totally sealed up and covered, which it is. And boom. Not pretty, but it will do. As far as cleanup, all you really need is just a little acetone to clean the brush, and that'll do it. Okay, so now we have a fixed wetsuit. It's sewn, it's sealed, it's ready to go. And it's just using this seal cement by M Essentials, the neoprene cement, the black. It works quick and it will do you right. Now, like I said, this isn't pretty, but it is functional, and that's all I'm looking for. So that's how you fix a wetsuit. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. D-Rock out.